stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you guys are all here. I did mention in a recent video that I was going to be sharing our new kitchen table, and that's exactly what I'm doing in today's video, obviously from the thumbnail, duh. Anyways, moving on. As you can see, we're just prepping this space the night before so that my husband and my son and whoever else decides to help can actually, you know, have the space to work. Everything's clean. It's like starting with a clean slate. There was kind of a bunch of crap in there, so I wanted to get it out. I wanted to really give the room or the space a good vacuum as well as a good mop, which my son was so kind to help me with. So I'm so excited. I can't wait for you guys to see the end results, and let's just jump into the video.
I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love.
I get around despite the loss. I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me, shadowing me at one. Oh, the sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun. Oh, I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance, just wanna I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance.
So I didn't necessarily film the entire process. Obviously there's children running around everywhere, lunch had to be eaten, and all kinds of stuff was going on, so I did shorten the video quite a bit, otherwise it would have been really long and boring. All really people kind of care about mostly is like what it looks like at the end. So I did throw some stuff in there, and that's fine, but definitely stay until the end. I hope you watch the entire video through. It really does help my channel. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Cheyenne. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 4. We've currently relocated to New Mexico, so this house that we live in is currently being rented to us, and we The backstory behind the table is that we have been waiting for the table to come for like 2 months or something, however long it was a really long time. So when we finally put it together, we're so happy with the after look, and I can't wait for you guys to see it at the end of this video. So again, if you are new, welcome, and I do hope you consider subscribing to my channel. It really does help me out, and go ahead and hit that like button down below. That way YouTube also knows that you're liking this content as well. And yeah, let's go.
You've always felt like a part of you has gone missing. I know it's real, but I'm telling you, it's closer than you know. I'm really trying to keep it cool now. Don't you see that you're a fool? Oh, it's time to open your eyes and let go. You got a lot of exes, but none of them know you better. The stories you've heard could be you and I. Hey, let me explain, get to the reason why it's not us. You know there's no one else than me you trust. You know it's truth deep inside. Won't you let it go? Sick and tired of seeing you in pain. Your head's in a haze. Won't you lean on me? I'll catch you if you fall. So take a leap of faith. Your fixed ideas clouding up your mind. Don't stop until common sense applies. The sun illuminates ahead. Need you to let go.
So I did really quick just want to jump on and mention to you guys that I do have a new home tour posted onto my channel, and if you guys have not seen that video yet, I'm going to go ahead and link it in the cards above and in the description box. Definitely go check it out. This house is really big, and we're so thankful to have so much space. I believe it's 1,900 square feet, and this little kitchen table area is so full of space. Like, I love being able to fit such a big table here, and I'm so excited for you guys to see what it looks like all put together here shortly.
Let it go.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah, wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah.
Oh my God, you guys, look at how beautiful this table is. Now, I don't believe it's solid wood. That's fine. I have children. It's going to get ruined over time anyway, so it's just so nice, and it feels so good to have such a beautiful piece of furniture in the house. You guys have no idea how it makes me feel. And I'm so excited that we did decide to go forward with this table. I was going to cancel it because it was taking a very long time, but I'm really glad that I didn't, because we recently had family over for the 4th of July weekend, and this fit pretty much everybody with tons of space left over. So I'm super excited for that. As you can see, my daughter was the first one to actually sit at the table and enjoy it and eat her lunch, coming up shortly. And now I'm just kind of vacuuming and cleaning up the styrofoam mess. There was a lot of it. I cannot stand styrofoam, so there I go with the vacuum. But anyways, thank you so much for sticking around to see the after and to see the end result, and let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I really can't wait to fully decorate the table. Obviously that thing in the middle is just temporary. I will find something more permanent when I have an opportunity to. So again, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
You're gone now. Will you call me back?